Hey guys, what's going on? I'm Steve. Today I'm going to do a quick little unboxing for this cute little camera that was given out at a party recently. This camera is the Realishot DC8200. It's 21 megapixels, full HD 1080p, LCD screen of 2.7 inches, 8 times optical zoom, and this is it right here. It's little, and we'll see what it's all about. It was a little party gift, so we got it. Quick open, and there you go. It's kind of packaged like those Canon power shots were back in the day. Take this off. It also comes with a memory card. It's really light, obviously. It's not an $1,000 camera, but let's get this off. And it's really light, made out of plastic, but it does remind me of those Canon power shots from back in the day. Like really, even the buttons on the back kind of remind me of that. And then what else do we have in the box? Probably the power and stuff like that. Oh, it comes with a little case for it. Obviously comes with a USB charger, a little lanyard, a sticker, AGFA photo, a little battery. Oh, this is kind of adorable. Look at this. This battery is so tiny. It's a model BL5B, if you could see that. And where is, oh, here it is. And here's the memory card. Wow. There's the memory card. It's so funny. It looks like someone like made their own memory card and just stuck their own kind of custom label on it. So we have everything we need here. Also has the instruction booklet right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put everything together. I'm going to take some pictures, look at them, transfer them to my computer, and then, post them so we can look at them in the video and see how they come out. 21 megapixels, what are we thinking? I don't know, but again, I'll give you a little look here. It's red, it's shiny, it looks metal, but it's not, I don't believe. It definitely feels like metal coated plastic. So let's see what happens when I take some pictures. All right, I let the camera charge a bit and took some pictures, but before I get into the pictures, I want to just let you know what kind of settings this camera has. For such a tiny little camera, it does have a pretty good amount of settings. So on the first tab of settings, we get image size where you can choose your megapixels. They actually have a self timer, a burst mode. You could choose your image quality. You can actually put a date stamp on it, change the white balance, the ISO, the exposure, the image sharpness. They have the metering mode, and you could also shoot in macro. I took a picture in macro and it doesn't look that good. But on the second page of settings, you get beep, meaning it has an annoying beep and it's really loud. You could turn that off. Frequency, I'm not sure about this one. It has an auto power off, defaulted to 3 minutes. You could change the date and time. You could change the language. You could format the memory card and put the settings back to default. With that being said, now is the moment you've all been waiting for. I will post all the pictures, and note, these pictures actually looked okay in the camera LCD screen, but they don't look that good when I move them to the computer. So you could judge. Here are the pictures. Let me know what you think, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace, guys.